Yo guys, it's your boy Sparrow Forex here, and in today's video I think I want to do something very different and very special. I've never done this before, and this is my first time doing this. I want to flip my 250 account into any reasonable amount. I've never done this before. This is my first time. I've heard about flipping. I've never done it, and definitely you have also heard about it. So this journey, I want to take this journey with you. Seriously, if you want to know how this journey is gonna be, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the post notification. Anytime I post a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And please follow me on Instagram, because I post all my trades over there, and join my free Telegram group. There we vibe and we share trading ideas. So guys, join me and let's do this. So I took my first trade on the challenge, which was on GBP USD. I took a sell from here to this level. I knew price will definitely come down to pick out this liquidity. It broke structure from here. There was no retracement to give us a higher high, and I knew it was going to give us a lower low. GBP USD is trending upward, and we can see that on the 4-hour time frame. It broke structure here, so I knew if this low is able to hold, then price will definitely come up to break this structure here. So we were looking for buys, but in the buys there are what retracements in the lower time frame. So I hook on this sell here. There was a break of structure here, gave me this higher high, then this retracement. I hook on it, knowing that price was going to come down to pick this liquidity here. But I closed around this area because this was just a short time sell, and price could do anything. So, and this is a flipping account. I am trying to flip it. So the moment the price got to this level, I closed out. Then it rallied up, came down, hit my TP, then it broke structure again. So that was the first trade on GBP USD. So I started the account with $250. As you can see, my initial balance is $250, and you can see the equity right now is $264. I am in profit. I stack about I think 10 positions. So as you can see, I am in profit right now. This is the sell I took on GBP USD for the first trade that I closed on the way down to my TP. I did not wait for the trade to go down to my TP. I closed out because the market could do anything, could reverse against me, and this is a trade. My SL was up there. I played as you can see in the picture, my SL was up there. Then I closed on the way. So this is the first trade of the flipping account. My second trade for the day, and which was also on the same day. I took my second trade, which was on the New York section. The first one was on London section, this one New York. So this other block and fair value gap was already marked out. Price was breaking strategy to the downside, so I knew price was going to come back there, then trying to take out this low. So I mark out, and there was a change of character here. I entered, I started packing from here. Then price came down to, I think you see that on your screen. I gave a like at least I think about 20 to 25 positions. Then when price got to this level, I closed out about 5 to 10 positions, leaving the rest to run to this low. But there was a spike of price. I was expecting price to give me something like this, then to close out. But there was a spike of this candlestick here, spike to the upside. So when the candlestick spike out, I was thinking price was going to, that this low have already been taken out. This one have already been taken out and mitigated this other block here. So I thought price was going to reverse. So I closed around when the price was there, close in a small loss, because I didn't want price to come all the way to my stop loss. So I closed around here in a small loss, but I've already taken some profit from here. You will see that on your screen. But price also came down to hit my take profit. All the same, I was not in a loss because the profit I took covered all the losses, and that was the second trade. So let's see how that trade also went. So this was the trade. This was the time I started packing. As you can see, please note that this is on 1 minute time frame. So when I started packing the trade started shooting up, but definitely I know it was going to come down because I believe in my strategy and I believe in the setup I put out there. But you know, all the same, I have to apply risk management. So I have to demarcate where my SL should be, and if price got to that level, I should close out. That's why I mark my SL over there. So if price get to that level, I will just close out the trade. I know that was an invalid trade. So this is one thing I want to show you guys. If you are doing this, you must also consider your risk management. That is a key thing to know. I don't go with my risk management, you know. Risk management is the key thing in trading. So as I stack, I also consider my risk management. So I have stack waiting for me to be in profit so that I can close out. So this is the second trade. Let's see. Yeah, and that is what you see there. I am in profit right now, and you know, trading, this is all it means. If you believe in yourself, believe in your strategy, and you have all your rules put in place, you don't fumble, you don't shake yourself, and you don't panic. You know, it was going against me. I put my SL over there, waiting that if price get to that position, I close out. But you know, I believe in my setup, and you know, definitely price has to do what he has to do. It 10, and I am in profit right now. So as you can see, I am in profit currently. All the positions are in profit. So I just wait for it to go down a little bit, then I'll see if I will close out. So the trade, it got to a point that the trade started resting against me. You know, this is my first time ever flipping. Emotion set in. I almost close out, but you know, like I said, if you believe in yourself, you need to just do what you have to do. So I didn't close out, then price started coming down to my direction again. So as you can see, that is the trade down there. It is going as expected. So it got to a point I need to close out some positions. So price went down, and some of the positions were up about $6. So I need to close out. I think I pack about 25 positions. So I closed out 10, leaving 15. So I closed out 10, leaving 15. So this was the 15 that were left that I need to allow them to run to my TP. So guys, this is how the trade actually went. This trade was a massive trade, and this is how it went. So the rest of the 15, you can see this is the rest of the 15. Price went down to hit my area of take profit. No, it was not. Yeah, I think no, it took out the liquidity down there, but that was my first initial take profit, the last low down there. So I wanted to close out price when they get there, but I also changed my mind because I knew price was going to come down there. So I wanted to wait for price to come down there. But you know, like I said, it's my first time, so I left the trade, and price reversed with a spike, and I need to close out. So I closed out with a small loss, and that was the small loss that I closed out with. The $77 I closed out in negative to $2. So that is how it is. But better still, I was still up $283. So my third trade was on gold, and that happened during the NFP. So as you can see on my Telegram, I sent a trade around 12:48 p.m. I said, so gold sell meet this close TP. You can close when you are in profit, but you can hold down to this. Apply proper risk management. So the moment the news was released, you see, I said then the NFP code, and this is a video of when the news was release. You can see that from the video here. So this is my stocks and these are my profit. So this is how I took the trade. So as you can see here, this was a trade I missed. I even sent that in the Telegram group here. I said I missed this trade, and we got this trade. This was the second trade. This was the third trade, and this is the NFP pool. And I closed around this area. This was where I closed. So I stuck here, it moved down here, then I closed out my profit before this swallowed. So this is how I took the third trade. So this is the trade, as you can see on your screen. This is when I started packing and stacking before NFP will be released. And this I knew from fundamentals and technicals, I knew price was definitely going to go down. And like I said, I believe in my risk management. That is why I'm demarcating the point where the SL should be. Like I said, trading is all about risk management. So as you can see, I demarcated my SL. These are the stocks I really stacked that day. You can see that I really stacked, waiting for the news to be released. And like I said, I know definitely it was a sell for gold that day. So the news was released and definitely it was a sell for me, and my setup, my trade went as expected. As you can see, the news was just released and you can see that the profit running. This is the trade, and I have to close out. When the news are released, you just have to close out your profit. So this was my third trade, and this is how it went. So this is where we ended this week, 422, and we hope next week we have better trades and better setups. Yo guys, so thank you for watching the video to the end, and if you have watched the video to this point, I thank you. And please kindly do me one favor, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification, so anytime I post a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And please kindly join my Telegram group. It is free. We vibe over there, we share trading ideas over them. So guys, right now I'm gonna leave you here and hope next week we have better trade to see where we will flip this account up to. So follow me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I see you.